the old and reacting to the latest. Every single genre that's Birdman's taste. Everybody's welcome here in Birdman's place. Yeah.
What's shaking, back? Birdman here. Welcome to my place. As always, thank you for stopping on in. Ladies and gentlemen, you have tuned in to yet another reaction/review video, and we're gonna dig right in. But first things first, I'm gonna need you to do something for me. Follow me on twitch.com/birdmansplace for all of my live streams. They're the lifeblood of this channel. They're a marathon and we have a blast. Secondly, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and relax. Take your shoes off, kick your feet up, and enjoy, cause we gonna have some fun today. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited. I'm excited because I get to react to somebody I've never reacted to before. I don't know anything about this person. This is Huntergirl, and the song is called Redbird. Don't know anything about it, but I'm excited to check it out. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, there's really only one thing left to do. Freddy, I'm gonna need them headphones, bud. I'm sorry. This ain't Freddy's place. This is Birdman's place. I don't want you getting all emotional and throwing yourself on the floor again like you did last time, all right? Just chill. You all right? Ha! Let's get it. I like the way this is starting.
Mama told me when I was a kid.
Ooh.
When a redbird flies, close your eyes, make a wish.
Ooh.
Right around the time my faith went missing, praying for an angel, but the wings look different.
Ooh.
God, if you're listening, could you send me one down?
Ooh.
Cause I can use a redbird right now.
Okay. Off the bat, amazing voice. Amazing voice. Loving her. Loving the message. Make a wish. I could use a redbird right now. Obviously something's going on in her life and she needs something. She needs something, some kind of positivity. Let's go.
One from the other side of the clouds. I'm feeling lost and empty. Letting me know that you're still with me by sending someone up in heaven down to earth for just a second. I know you know it's all gonna be alright. If it ain't too much, could you just give me a sign? Redbird, fly, fly.
Amazing voice. Yes.
This world's so dark, it's like all the colors gone.
What I'm loving about her voice is she has the ability to be very soft and very subtle and very smooth. And then when that power hits in the music, she can push it out and really show how powerful that voice is too. She's got a lot of range with the strength of her vocal cords, and it's beautiful.
Sometimes I feel like I'm fighting on my own. Then I see all I need in a pine tree out of the blue. It reminds me your timing is better than mine. I know it's true. But I can use a redbird right now, one from the other side of the clouds. I'm feeling lost and empty, letting me know that you're still with me by sending someone up in heaven.
Yes.
For just a second.
We all need that.
You know it's all gonna be alright. If it ain't too much, could you just give me a sign? Redbird, fly, fly.
Beautiful.
Fly.
I'm guessing just by what I'm watching here, I'm wondering if she didn't lose her mom. Because they're seeing a lot of clips of her with a woman that seems to be about the age of her mom. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely amazing, amazing, amazing song. And she has a phenomenal voice. that voice.
Mama told me when I was a kid. When a redbird flies, close your eyes, make a wish.
Grandma?
And here it is.
And Grandpa?
I could use a river right now.
Yes.
Going from the other side of the clouds. I'm feeling lost and empty, letting me know that you're still with me. Since someone up in heaven, down to earth for just a second. I know you know it's all gonna be alright. If it ain't too much, could you just give me a sign? Redbird, fly.
Wow. Absolutely phenomenal.
Redbird fly.
Ooh. Wow. Her vocals, the power, the softness, just everything. She's amazing. That was amazing. Absolutely beautiful. And a beautiful song. You know, everybody knows the redbird, the cardinal. That's, you know, the sign that somebody's watching over you from heaven. So we could all use that every now and then. We could all use seeing one of those and knowing, feeling like there's somebody watching us, making sure we're okay. You know I do that when I see a redbird or I see a butterfly, you know, for my dad, but we all get that. That was absolutely beautiful. Beautiful song, beautiful voice, just beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Follow me on social media. My links are right down here. If you'd like to be a member of the flock on Patreon, get some exclusive content, videos you won't see on the channel, videos YouTube doesn't want you to see that they block, those are on there. You can get early access to my videos. You can get your request shot at the list faster. You can get 10% off for merchandise. You can be there for Turn It Up Tuesdays. We have a lot of fun. Movie nights, comedy nights, wrestling nights, video Q&As with artists, video Q&As with other YouTubers. It's a blast. Come be a part of it. Come check it out. Information up here. Link in the description below. Like, share, subscribe. Pass me around. Let's grow the Birdman Fam. Birdman Fam, flock. Love you guys. Mean it. I'm going to see you on the next one. All right? Much love. Peace.
What's shaking, baby? Birdman here. If you like this video, go ahead and become a member of the Birdman Fam by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Also, make sure to watch the videos on this screen as well as the playlist I put together. You can also become a member of the flock, get some behind the scenes fun, early access, and your request shot at the list faster. Check that out as well. Birdman Fam, flock, I love you guys. I'm going to see you on the next one. Much love. Peace.